Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Beata, and for those of you who do not know me, and I am from Lesotho, but I'm currently in Scotland as a Chevening scholar. And if you would love to apply for Chevening scholarship, honey, please listen to these tips that I'm about to give you. And yeah, and you can do that. And how could you probably do this? By applying for the Chevening scholarship. So they usually say the perfect time of starting something if you want beautiful results is between yesterday and tomorrow, and that time is when? Today. And I love to say it's now. Like, don't wait for tomorrow, don't wait for any other day to start, but start now. Namhlanje ngoku. Yeah, so what I would love to advise applicants or anybody else, this is just a general advice: stop being negative. Okay, there's this thing that is called a tar. Yeah, it's very magnetic. Anything and everything that you say, trust me, can really take you, or can really break you, or can really make you. So if you love yourself that much, please just be an optimistic person, not a pessimist. Okay, be very much optimistic. There's this thing that I usually do for myself, you know. I tell myself beautiful words because I'm not going to wait for any other person to tell me any other thing that is beautiful apart from me. Okay, so what I usually said while applying this, I was like, if ever Lesotho needs one Chevening scholar, that one Chevening scholar is going to be who? Moi. If ever they need 2 scholars, I will be within, I will be during the people. If ever they need 3, I was like, I am going to be within. So I would like you to also say the same thing, because once you start labeling yourself like, this scholarship is for the brilliant people, it's for the okay, Han, that is you blessing those people whom you don't even know. So start first by blessing yourself. Tell yourself that I'm gonna be in this scholarship, I'm gonna win this scholarship, and you're not just gonna say that, but you're going to work very hard. If there's anything that I did in my entire life was working for Chevening scholarship, like I did, because it's something that I loved. This needs you to write it down, manifest it, pray very hard about it, because the Chevening scholarship, it's such a prestigious scholarship, and the journey is very long. Honey, the journey is very long. So if you love yourself, start preparing right now. Make sure that while you apply in different universities, you don't just apply because you love the course or whatnot, but check if that university really has partnership, or it has some a partnership, has made a partnership with Chevening scholarship. Don't just apply to any university for the sake of that, because I know that those kind of people will be like, okay, they admitted in the certain university, but that university that they opted for is not really in partnership with Chevening scholarship, so which means that you won't get any other thing. So also check what the university requires for you to be admitted. Don't just apply for the sake of applying. Check if you really fit in that, and apply in as many universities as possible. Chevening just needs you to apply to 3 universities, and you need to have got at least one unconditional offer from those universities, or from that university. Do not apply to only one university. Yeah. And also be a risk taker, honey. Be a risk taker in life. If you're not ready to take risks, know that you're not gonna make it. Like, just say bye. And I'm serious on this one. So try as much as possible to also use social media. We're talking about Facebook, we're talking about Twitter, we're talking about LinkedIn, we're talking about TikTok, we're talking about Instagram. Yeah, so many social media platforms that are going to be so very much informative, just to try to check who were the Chevenings, you know, and then the advices that they could kind of give you. And please use YouTube, guys. YouTube is the plug. Like, YouTube is the plug. There are so many videos whereby people from different countries posted them, and watching one video is not enough. Okay, watching one video is not enough at all. Make thorough research. Okay, if there are any webinars, any discussions about Chevening applications, do yourself a favor, attend all of them if that is what it takes. Because I remember very well, I was in so many webinars. I don't even remember, more than 10 of them, I think. Whenever I saw them via Facebook or via WhatsApp, I was like, I'm gonna attend this. I had friends from Niger, I had friends from South Africa, I had friends from Tanzania, I had friends from Uganda, I had friends from Malawi also, who were like, okay, if you get or if you hear something like a webinar, please send them to me, and then we could kind of exchange like that, and we could attend those kind of information sessions, because they're very much important. You're going to learn everything each and every day. And here's the most important thing, okay? Own race, own pace, own lane. What I experience is probably what you want to experience. Our experiences are kind of different. What God puts us through is it's a very different thing. Like, yeah, our experiences are different in a nutshell, I could say that. So make sure that you do what? You focus on yourself. Don't look at whoever has done what not and then compare yourself. Don't do that, okay? I know there's so many people who would probably make it up to the interview stage, and then after that they don't make it up to the final stage, which is the selection stage. Don't lose hope, okay? There's so many people who did so 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 100 times, whatnot. I'm lying, 100 times, I'm lying, but they never lost hope. So if you really want something, work hard. Don't be discouraged, and work very hard. So make sure that you understand what the question requires of you. So I'm going to be doing something like a series whereby I will share with you in each and every essay what or how should you probably tackle it, okay? And I would say this, okay? I'm not saying because I'm a Mandela Washington fellow or a Mandela Washington alumni or I'm a Chevening scholar, then I know everything. No, but I'm just going to share with you my personal experiences, which could probably try to assist you, because I want you guys to win, okay? The more applications, the more winnings, and the more the more we try to change the world to be a better place, guys. So obviously, because I'm a leader and you also a leader, we need to work hand in hand to ensure that we bring good results. Bon chance, everyone. Thank you very much for watching, and if you haven't watched some of the previous videos that I have posted, please do watch them and recommend them to your friends. Thank you.